Want professional portfolio management without the high fees? If robo-advisors seem like magic but you're unsure how they work, you're not alone. Today, we're setting up Schwab Intelligent Portfolios. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. This is Schwab's automated investing service that builds and manages a diversified ETF portfolio for you based on your goals and risk tolerance. Step 1. Start the setup process. From your Schwab dashboard, find Schwab Intelligent Portfolios and click Get Started. You'll answer questions about your investment timeline, risk comfort, and financial goals. Step 2. Review and fund your portfolio. Schwab will show you your proposed asset allocation across various ETFs. Once you approve, you'll fund the account. The minimum is $5,000, and then it automatically handles all rebalancing and tax loss harvesting. And that leads to my crucial pro tip. There are no advisory fees, but understand the cash allocation. Schwab Intelligent Portfolios doesn't charge management fees, but it does keep a portion of your portfolio in cash, 6 to 30%. This cash sits in a Schwab bank sweep, which helps fund their service, so be aware of this allocation. So, just like that, you have a professionally managed portfolio on autopilot. Using a robo-advisor goes a long way in taking the emotion and complexity out of investing. Now I'm curious, do you prefer hands-on investing or automated solutions like robo-advisors? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.